Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the display mode in MENACE. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Then go to display. Here you can change the display mode. It is set by the default to full screen. You can select full screen window or windowed. I will actually select full screen window. Then simply hit apply. The changes should have been applied. As you can see, I currently had a black screen for a moment. OBS had to notice the change. Of course, hit apply once you select a change. Of course, you can always hit restore defaults to restore this to the base, the default, I guess, default values. And once you make your changes and you are happy with them after applying them, of course, hit back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.